Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are taking a deep dive into the Galaxy Z Flip 7, Samsung's latest foldable in the fan favorite clamshell lineup. Now this one's interesting. Samsung didn't just iterate, they rethought some core parts of the Flip this year. You are getting a larger display, a true full-size cover screen, a bigger battery, and an unexpected chip change. Let's break it all down. So first, yes, it's a little bigger this year. Flip 7 adds some height and thickness compared to the Flip 6, and that might sound like a step backward until you realize when you get in return. Samsung has made this a full-sized flagship, just foldable. Bigger screen, bigger battery, bigger outer display, but still compact when short and satisfying to flip open. It still feels premium, solid in hand, and folds flat thanks to the Samsung's refined hinge. The inner screen is now 6.9 inches, same resolution, 120Hz AMOLED, but more impressive. This small bump makes a big difference in usability. Typing feels more natural, watching Netflix or YouTube fills out the screen better, and everything feels less cramped, which was a complaint on older flips. Samsung finally did it. The outer display now spans edge to edge, measuring 4.1 inches. They took notes from the Motorola Razr Plus and it shows. The camera rings are now embedded into the screen itself. You can swipe through widgets, control music, read messages, use full apps, and even preview selfies using the rear camera. Huge win for creators. It's fast, responsive, and now runs at 120Hz, so it feels fluid and premium. This is a mini phone experience and it's extremely practical. Flip users rejoice. Samsung finally gave us a real battery. The Flip 7 now has 4300 mAh, up from 4000 mAh. Combined with the more efficient chip, this gets you comfortably through a day of use, even with some camera and media time. Battery was the Achilles heel of the Flip series. Now, it's finally reliable. The Flip 7 isn't just a fun foldable anymore. It's a legit flagship reimagined for people who want the best of both worlds, compact size and modern power. Bigger screens, bigger battery, bigger value. The only question is, are you okay with the Exynos chip? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you go Flip 7 or wait for a Snapdragon only version? Thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth tech previews and first impressions. More foldables, comparisons, and camera tests coming soon. Peace.